So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize video clips and images in Davinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So here I have a clip, or you can say an image for example if you're using an image. So all you have to do is go to inspector, video, retime settings, and then here you go to scaling. So you can choose to do crop or fit, fill, and stretch. So just use the project settings if it's already according to your own dimensions in the video. So you can also do in transform, just unlink the X and Y axis in zoom, and then you'll be able to zoom in, zoom out basically. So let me show you what it would look like right here. So if you do this, it will zoom the X axis, and you can also do the Y axis right here. So let's just reset that quickly, and there you go. So there, if you don't have to change anything else, don't touch anything, but if you have to, you can do this. So there you go guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.